I'm representing Cetra Ruddy, the architects. This is my partner, John Cetra. And Kehabnanian asked us to speak today about the economy of quality design, which is an interesting topic. And I think this is a new world that we're in compared to a year ago and 2 years ago. And I think we're all thinking about, what is value? We really thought about what are the things that not only maintain their value, but increase in value in time. And there is that best of class issue that I mentioned, but there are certain things that always maintain their value, and they really relate to very special qualities and design qualities. And I think that the concept of creating great design really creates value. And I think that in 77 Hudson, we really have those sort of qualities. What we tried to do here is really take the best of New Jersey and New York. We were not a New York architectural firm that came into New Jersey and said, we're going to create a New York product. We feel that 77 Hudson, compared to many Manhattan apartment buildings, has so many other advantages, like the amazing views. And the views from New Jersey to New York and to Western New Jersey are so much more spectacular than the best views in New York. The location, a block and a half from the PATH station, The architecture itself, we are already up for awards on this building, and this will be a building that will get many awards and great accolades. And that is value for someone who purchases and for the resale. The unique planning of the property also differentiates ourselves. If you look at much of the product that's out there right now, the apartments are interchangeable from one site to the other. They're very cookie-cutter sort of apartments. And so we feel that there's very unique planning that went into this building. High-performance technology. There are many, first of all, sustainable items and green items in the building. We have a green roof, very high technology curtain wall, which we'll go through, mechanical systems that are state-of-the-art, glass that's state-of-the-art. So the performance criteria that were used to design this building compared to anything else on the New Jersey Gold Coast, and in addition to many high-end buildings in Manhattan, is a high standard and a bar that very few buildings have accomplished. The typical grand lobby in any building in New York or New Jersey is 15 feet, 18 feet. This is 28 feet high. It's been designed as a gallery. It's going to be very refreshing. There's beautiful teak, and as you walked into the sales center, that long wall with the hand-rubbed teak is going to be on 2 of the walls. We have beautiful large artwork, and there is a navy blue stainless steel sculpture that is really an actual piece of sculpture that we've carved into that has the reception desk. Basically, in thinking about how one makes one's selections in the market and how do you make a wise decision about what is value and what will be a lasting asset. We really came down to some ideas that all encompass 77 Hudson Street. One is really iconic architecture. Units in this building will appreciate because of the quality of the architect. It's not just a residential building, it's a beautiful piece of architecture. The unique one-of-a-kind floor plans, which will really distinguish themselves. The handcrafted interiors, high-performance engineering, and the unique lifestyle luxuries that abound in this project.